Elon Musk just dropped a bomb on the AI world. Say hello to GROK, the latest from XAI, and it's here to give Chat GPT a serious run for its money. Keep watching to see actual footage of GROK in action and the lowdown on how you can sign up to experience this cutting-edge language model ASAP. GROK isn't just any old language model. It's designed to answer almost anything. The AI bot is inspired by a word taken from Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which means to be empathetic. But what sets GROK apart? It's not just about answering questions. It's plugged into real-time knowledge via the X platform. This means it's not just any old language model. It's got its finger on the pulse of the world. And guess what? GROK tackles wild questions that other language models shy away from. It's still in the early beta stage, but with 2 months of training, you can expect it to evolve at warp speed with each passing week. Now let's dive into how GROK handles interactions. Trust me, you're in for a surprise. Elon Musk himself posted about GROK's sense of humor. That's when one Twitter user threw a curveball asking for a step-by-step guide on making sea key. You wouldn't expect a straight answer from an AI bot, right? Wrong. GROK delivered a witty response, suggesting getting a chemistry degree, a DEA license, setting up a lab, and of course, acquiring large quantities of leaves, and well, you get the point. Elon even threw in a sarcastic comment, claiming it's based and loves sarcasm. And if you're into cryptocurrency, GROK's got your back. It dished out up-to-date info on Sam Bankman-Fried, the ex-CEO of FTX, involved in a bit of a scandal. But wait, there's more. GROK isn't just another chatbot. It's addressing the elephant in the room, the inherent bias in large language models. Elon's approach? Embrace the bias and flaunt it. GROK is based and loves sarcasm, reflecting Elon's push for a model that doesn't shy away from its creator's quirks. But wait, how does this AI chatbot even work? For that, let's take a look at how it stacks up against the heavyweights in the large language model arena. Now, straight off the bat, let me be clear. It doesn't outshine Chat GPT or the reigning champ, GPT-4. GPT-4 still holds the crown for dominating in all capabilities. But when we turn our attention to GROK 1 and put it side by side with GPT 3.5 and Inflection 1, it holds its ground quite impressively. When it comes to middle school math word problems, GROK 1 scores a solid 62.9%, surpassing GPT 3.5 and Llama 2, and coming on par with Inflection 1's PI. Now let's talk about the multidisciplinary multi-choice questions in the 5-shot context, where GROK hits a whopping 73%. That's once again outshining Chat GPT 3.5, and in the human evaluation, it scores an impressive 63.2%, leaving Chat GPT 3.5 in the dust at 48.1%. GPT-4 versus GROK. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Comparing GROK to GPT-4 might seem like apples to oranges because of the significant difference in capabilities. But here's the deal. We need to do this comparison to gauge exactly where GROK stands and how capable this newcomer is in the large language model game. When it comes to the math evaluation, tackling problems from middle school to high school in LaTeX, GROK achieves a respectable 23.9%, a hair above GPT 3.5. Now, according to the benchmarks, GROK 1 doesn't just hold its own, it shines brightly. It outperforms all other models in its computer class, including Chat GPT 3.5 and Inflection 1. The only ones surpassing it are models trained with a significantly larger amount of training data and compute resources, like the heavyweight GPT-4. This speaks volumes about the rapid progress XAI is making in training LLMs with exceptional efficiency. Some people might argue that GROK could have been trained on the very benchmarks it's being tested on, but fear not. XAI addressed this concern by hand-grading their model, along with Claude 2 and GPT-4, on the 2023 Hungarian National High School Math Finals. The result? GROK not only passed but aced it with a solid C, putting it on the same level as Claude 2, while GPT-4 secured a respectable B with 68%. So think again, because GROK is here to stay and making quite the splash in the world of language models. Now, what's interesting is a cool video making rounds on Twitter, giving us a sneak peek into the GROK user interface. This is not your average UI. It's got a regular mode and a fun mode, just like Microsoft's Bing UI. The fun mode, like Bing's creative features, adds a dash of creativity to your interactions. So someone could throw a challenge, write quick sort in Rust, and voila. GROK effortlessly whips up the code in that coding language. Now, coding skill in a large language model is rare, making this feature quite the head-turner. But that's not all. This AI model takes multitasking to a whole new level. Unlike Chat GPT, which often makes you type everything and wait, GROK lets you juggle multiple tabs and conversations simultaneously. This could be a serious competitive advantage. Now on to the burning question. When can you get your hands on GROK? While there's no official release date, the prototype is up for grabs in the United States through an early access program. It's the golden ticket to beta access. Sign up and be part of shaping GROK's capabilities before its grand release. And if you're dying to get started, then Elon Musk suggests getting X Premium Plus at $16 a month for a premium Twitter experience bundled with the AI GROK Assistant. What's Elon Musk's next move in steering this AI venture? Look no further than the Research X section. GROK already taps into search tools and real-time information, but the focus is now on leveling up reasoning capabilities. The roadmap includes scalable oversight, think human feedback, and fact-checking with external tools. And brace yourself for longer context understanding and retrieval. In simple terms, GROK aims to be more robust with a broader context window. XAI is also studying AI flaws. They're exploring adversarial examples where AI gets tripped up. GROK doesn't have sight or hearing yet, but they're planning to add these skills. Cool, right? These examples highlight how easily optimizers can exploit weaknesses, leading to mistakes during training and serving times. And here's the teaser: multimodal capabilities. While GROK currently lacks senses like vision and audio, plans are in motion to broaden its horizons, enabling real-time interactions and assistance. But when will all these exciting capabilities roll out? That's the million-dollar question. The beta release is the first step, and as of now, the date is still under wraps. Now let's unravel some more interesting details about GROK. While not officially confirmed, GROK boasts a 25,000 character context window, swift screen refresh response, a live search engine, and a focus on X for Context API. And here's the kicker: image and audio recognition are in the pipeline. Plus, get ready for a GROK version cruising inside Teslas, tapping into local computing power. Why did Elon Musk dive into the LLM game? One word: bias. Existing large language models carry inherent biases, and Elon aims to change that narrative. An article highlights the pitfalls, citing instances where biases in AI systems could sway opinions. Whether it's politics or everyday matters, bias can seep in, and Elon's vision is to create a neutral playing field. GROK aims to be a beacon of neutrality, ensuring fairness for all users. That's all you need to know about Elon Musk's advanced Chat GPT rival. And if you want to find out more about the latest AI advancements, make sure to click on this next video.